What's going on, everyone? So, hey, I'm using a tool that scans a bunch of different stuff. It's called Alpha Query. I think they have a free trial if you want to get one. It's pretty cool. It has a lot of helpful data. But anyways, I wanted to show you something with Excel real quick because trust me, like 6 months ago, I was even more of a retard than I am now with Excel. I actually did learn a little bit because of Tall Frenchie and a few other people that I met across the community, but majority of it, I sat there and I taught myself what to do. Um, Now, this is what basically I do. So whenever you want to visualize a big set of data, like what we see here is a bunch of tickers that have institutional ownership over 75%. Because institutional ownership is a very big deal when we're picking these plays. So if you ever need to get this data, let me turn the notifications off. You guys are ruthless, and girls. Anyways, okay, so we have a metric shit ton of data here, right? So let's go ahead and highlight, and I don't know at this point in time a better way to get to the bottom of the page other than just to scroll out a lot, like hit control and then wheel out with your mouse and then highlight it and then scroll down. I mean, I don't know if that's the best way. I'm sure there's a better way, but again, I'm retarded, and the point is here to learn off of each other. I'm just showing you what I do know how to do. And if you're overwhelmed, don't get overwhelmed by what you don't know how to do. Just pay attention to what I'm showing you how to do. That way you can do it. So I just highlighted shit ton of stocks with over 75% ownership, which is insane, by the way. And then we zoom back in. Loophole. And how many do we have? 1,699 securities with over 75% institutional ownership. Holy crap. So what do we do with this data now? Well, hold on. Let me hit shift and then up arrow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just to get rid of that shit at the bottom. Now I hit control C. Open my Excel. Don't ignore all this shit. I'm opening a brand new sheet. I act like we just opened our brand new sheet of Excel. Hit control V. Actually, no. Right click, hit paste special, and then match destination formatting. So we don't want the formatting of the website we're copying it from. We want the formatting, just plain Jane Excel formatting. So just like that. Boom, there you go. We already have it highlighted, ready to go. You can scroll down like this if you want to verify, or you can hit Control Shift up, goes to the top of the page. Control Shift down goes to the bottom of the page, and it highlights everything for you. See how easy that is? 1,700 columns. Boom. Taken care of. I was taught this a long time after. I would literally sit here and just go and wait. So now I know how to do it because, again, people helped me learn. And I appreciate that. Now I'm paying that forward. So once you got everything highlighted, go over here to Insert, Table, hit OK, and now you've just charted or tabled everything that we just saw almost instantaneously. Next thing you do, go to Home, the Home tab, make sure that's highlighted, and then come over here to Analyze Data, or Data. Analyze Data, Analyze Data, and then click that. And what it's going to do, it's going to run all this data, and it's going to create different correlations based on the data that you've selected. So go to this gear right here. Hit update. And now it's going to create a pivot table for us that we can insert. And now we can organize it by, largest to smallest, alphabetical, however we want to do it. And then there you go. You have a full list of stocks with over 75% ownership. Look at that. Look at this. This is the shit that changes the way things work. Because once you start looking at stuff like this and you realize that there's all of these securities with this much institutional ownership, something's not right in the market. And what could it be? They bought up all the securities and they're using them as collateral in the repo. Not all of them, but a lot of them are using to lend securities. It goes both ways. It's a very convoluted system. So very interesting to see. So I just want to share that with everyone. Make sure that I at least showed you how to do a little bit of Excel, because I don't think I've shown anyone any Excel stuff yet. So yeah, there's a lot more to it than just reading filings. A lot more goes into it. You got to know how to do some Excel work, some Power BI even, which expands on this a little bit more. You know what? We can even add in the security name back in there. Boom, there you go. Now you got the full name. Chewy's not Ryan Cohen's Chewy, different Chewy restaurant. So there you go. There's your crime list. Enjoy. I'll leave this. I'll share this. Leave it in the bottom. Oh, actually, I can't. I got a bunch of member stuff in there. Can't see that shit. Oops, you already did. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna make this members only now. F the public. Enjoy, members.